it will be you who will be exhausted and drain out, and you will not be able to cater your various demands. No, you won't be able to serve your family also. It's very important.
That's very inspiring, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Mm.
Uh, Ma'am, next I'd like to ask Shanti Kumar, ma'am. Ma'am, in your rich experience, how commonly you listen to cases of burnout, that too, especially in healthcare workers like doctors, nurses, and other paramedical staffs, and how do you counsel them? So, what are the key things which we should keep in mind in order to avoid burnouts as healthcare workers?
I think it's very, very frequent that you'll meet people working in your organization and otherwise to reach a space of burnout. One very important thing, which I want to tell everyone, is try and quantify your experience. Look at this burnout or stress on a scale of 0 to 10. Majority of the people will come and speak to a psychologist or the psychiatrist once they've reached a 9 on that scale. मैम ऐसा हो गया है कि नींद भी नहीं आ रही है, बहुत परेशानी भी हो रही है, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, आप बस सब कुछ ठीक कर दो. So they come when it's become urgent. They've made it a firefighting situation. Fire लग गई है, please हमें extinguisher देके जल्दी से fire extinguish कर दीजिए. But it's not a magic thing that can just be done like this, right? It is very, very important, which I tell everybody. See how you're feeling on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 means maybe no stress at all. You're feeling very happy and content and gratitude in your life. And 10 means I've reached a space that I'm not even able to do my normal functioning. By normal functioning, I mean waking up, going through my day, doing my work, feeling good about my work, eating my meals on time, sleeping on time, all these things. The moment you reach a scale of a 4 or a 5, please take care of yourself. Don't wait for it to become a 9 or a 10 कि अब करेंगे कुछ. So I think that for every person, doctors, healthcare workers, everybody else, analyze yourself on a Sunday. Make it a Sunday self check-in. Sunday evening, when I make my to-do list for the week, I also want to check in, how am I feeling? How was this week for me? Is my sleep okay? Did I eat properly? Am I feeling as hungry as before? Did I do something for myself? So that little bit of self check-in is very, very important. Second important thing, I think एक बहुत बड़ा stereotype जिसके साथ हम बड़े हुए हैं कि to do list में सिर्फ काम की चीजें होनी चाहिए. 11 o'clock patient, 12 o'clock meeting, 1 o'clock this. To do lists are not only about work. In your to do list, put 2 bullet points for yourself also. I want to take a half an hour walk. I want to go for a swim. I want to take my family out for something. जब आपकी टू डू लिस्ट में आपकी पर्सनल एक्टिविटीज भी आ जाएंगी, आपकी सेल्फ केयर एक्टिविटीज भी आ जाएंगी, they will become as important as your professional commitments. And that is where self care begins. And that is where you will not reach the burnout stage sooner. Now imagine that every instrument that we use has a shelf life, right? सबका एक डेट होता है कि इतने आवर्स के लिए ये लैपटॉप काम करेगा, फिर चार्जिंग पे लगाना पड़ेगा, right? So let's not put our charger on when we have 5% battery. Let's try and put the charger on sooner. So a self check-in every Sunday, analyze yourself on a scale of 0 to 10. Number two, point your personal things in your to-do list as well. They are as important. Stop giving them lesser priority. And point number three, communicate more clearly. I think in healthcare setting where you have the support of other doctors also, talking to your colleagues, discussing it with your colleagues will make you feel very heard and a part of a group. So if you follow these three things in your daily practice in a weekly manner also, you will see that your space of reaching burnout will get delayed by a majority time.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for the wonderful answer.